Okay, that'll show you where I'm trying to get my ride out. Flood. Just can't get it going. It's not going to run. Water's all on the floorboard and stuff. It was over the seat. Everything's soaked. Let me try this again. No, it ain't gonna work. Well, I'm gonna have to clean it out. Headlights won't go off. Shows it there. It's grounding it out. One comes on and off. Oh man. Okay. What I'm gonna do is just clean this out. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. It's my back floorboard. Yeah, it's a better view. But I'm afraid I'm going to lose this vehicle. I'm trying to get it out. There isn't much to hook on the trees or anything like that. I get back here and get my chains. I do have chains. But what happened was the vehicle, we got it over there on the other side, right there, which is the big river on the other side, and got it turned around because it was stuck. And then, oh, it's cold. And then tried to come back through, and it fouled out again, and the river's rising as we speak. And we got, I think it's 80 or 80% chance tonight or 100% chance of rain. Oh, that's cold. I lose my vehicle, but I can't lose everything. I try to come back down and get the battery out of it before tonight, because I really think it's going to take it, or try to chain it down to something, a tree or something, to keep it from taking it downstream, you know, piling up the river somewhere. Strap. Some people just has bad luck sometimes. Just the way the world works. Them headlights won't go off. And it was smoking under the hood earlier, so it's most likely Grounded something out, grounded it with, you know, something. What's in here? Oh, my boosting cables. Man, I gotta have those. Oh, like I said, it's cold water. Sorry about all the movement. Just thought I'd show you as I was going along. Wow, that's a mess. Can't hardly see anything in here. Let's go by feel. Oh, yeah. Let's pick some of this stuff up. Okay. Got that cleaned out. Just gotta get on up out here before a flash flood comes up on me or something. See what it looks like here. I'd say it's starting to raise. Alright, all I can do is just hope for the best. That's all I know. Got my wheelbarrow up there on the road. I got my stuff out. Got to come back down and try to get my battery. That was a new battery. It was so expensive. And I'll see you all on a update or something. Everybody stay safe. And, you know, we'll be watching the earthquakes and things.